Hi Group 4, here are your spelling words for your test this week. Number 1 is subtract. When you read the story problem, is it asking you to add or subtract? Subtract. Number 2 is subtraction. Earlier in the year, we practiced a lot of subtraction. Subtraction. Number 3 is express. How does your character express their feelings in the book? Express. Number 4 is expression. To know what your friend is feeling, you should look at their face for their expression. Expression. Number 5 is elect. On Friday, we had to elect 2 students for student council. Elect. Number 6 is election. On Friday, the whole school held an election for student council. Election. Number 7 is predict. Don't forget to predict what your character might do next. Predict. Number 8 is prediction. When we come to the carpet, you will share your prediction with your partner. Prediction. Number 9 is confess. I borrowed my brother's hat without asking, so I had to confess to him. Confess. Number 10 is confession. After I made my confession to my brother, I felt a lot better about telling the truth. Confession. Number 11 is profess. They would profess their loyalty to the king. Profess. Number 12 is profession. Sometimes people ask me what my profession is. I tell them that I am a teacher. Profession. Number 13 is your surprise word for the week. Number 13 is projection. Can you help me with the projection machine? It's not working. Projection.